Look for the main breaker and apply the Lotto padlock to ensure it's safely locked out. This prevents accidental energization and helps avoid potential electric shock. Verify that the voltmeter HUD is showing 0 voltage on the live wires to ensure they're de-energized and safe to work with. Look for any signs of damage or overheating on the MCB bank, as these issues can lead to electrical faults and safety hazards. Toggle each MCB switch to isolate the circuits. This ensures you can safely check for any faults or trip conditions before proceeding with your inspection. Inspect the bus bar terminal block for any corrosion or damage. Loose connections can lead to overheating or arcing, which poses safety risks. Inspect the DIN rail and wiring for any signs of wear or damage, as this is crucial for preventing electrical failures. The main breaker is your control for restoring power, so make sure everything is inspected and safe before you toggle it to the on position.